Hey Google, I'm Gajanan and I'm thrilled to apply for the position of GDSC lead at my campus. As the president of Official Developer Club at my campus, I have the spearheaded numerous intensives to foster learning and innovation within our club. We have hosted many workshops like GitHub, Android, web development, and blockchain. We have also hosted events like Papers, our web development competition, and Hack Fusion 2024, our 36-hour hackathon that attracts students from all over Maharashtra. In addition to leading our club activities, I am the coordinator of app development committee within our club. My expertise include Android development using Java, Kotlin, and C++, along with strong foundation in object-oriented programming and DSA. In these 2 years of engineering, I have built several projects that showcase my skills and creativity. For instance, I have built an app for my college that helps students to stay organized in their grades, assignments, and attendance. The app has received positive feedback from my peers and teachers and is currently being used by many students and teachers with over 2,000 downloads on the Play Store. As a GDSC leader, I am eager to share my passion for technology and help others in their development journey. I believe in the power of technology to drive a positive change, and I'm committed to empower fellow students to reach their full potential as a developer. I am confident that I have the skills, dedication, and leadership quality to make a positive change as a GDSC leader. Thank you for considering my application, and I look forward to hear from you soon. Thank you.